Hi guys, welcome to WanShooStudio. So today the asanas we are performing is Ustrasana, the camel pose. It is a backward bending posture. It does help to increase your spine flexibility and also opening up your chest. It helps to soothe certain breathing ailments and increase the circulation to the head region. So anytime if you feel discomfort on your back or on your neck region or any parts of your body, please stop performing the asanas. So I have more videos teach you how to perform certain asanas. Do check out, share and subscribe if you like my channel. Let's go to the mat. Now come to your mat and then standing on your knees, hip width distance apart. You may tuck in your toes or flatten your feet, your choice. Now activate your thighs, continue to push it to the front and also engage your glutes. As you inhale, expand your chest and extend your spine, elongate your spine. Now place your hands on your waist and then slowly place it on the heels of your feet and continue to inhale, expand the chest, push your thighs to the front and slowly bend backwards, stretches your neck and drop your head and look back. Remember to keep your shoulder away from your ears. For further stretch, flatten your foot, place the palm on the soles of your feet and breathe. Engage your thighs all the time. To come up, slowly bring your hands to your heels, then move it to your waist, supporting it. Then slowly, without dropping your head, sitting back to your heels, bending from the hips. Then lastly, forehead on the mat and hands by the side. When you're ready, slowly roll up and then straighten your trunk and feel the changes in your body.